guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with some unbagging, unboxing, some Amazon finds, some Etsy finds, some I'm not 100% sure. So, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing wonderful. We're going to put this Munimade package off to the side. We're going to put this pen off to the side, and we're going to get into this. So, this comes from a Ronald James, and it was like from like AK, and I don't know where AK is. I'm like, did I order something? But I'm pretty sure all this stuff that like I have ordered has come in. So I'm like, I'm not sure what this could be. So we're going to open this up first, just in case if it's not diamond painting related or something like that. At first I thought maybe I knew who it was from because I couldn't figure it out. I'm like, I don't know the name, but then the last name I was like, oh, wait, I think I know. But then I didn't know, and what the hell? What is this? So, if this is not diamond painting related, it's just some like mail that came and like they were like, we're gonna trick her into let's see, what is it? It looks like maybe it's a coloring book. Is that what it is? Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, there is a card. You having got this motivational swear words coloring book. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you, the day I'm having, like, this is perfect. So let's see who sent this, right? So it's got my name on it. Alaska. It is Berta. I thought it was Berta, but then I was like, no, I don't think that's her last name. That dirty bird, Berta, you got me. Alaska. Naomi, love your videos, love you, girl. I seen you like to color and saw this and thought you would like it on a bad day, Berta. That is my Thomas the Train. Choo choo. If you don't know who Berta is, she is, oh my gosh, she is absolutely amazing. I freaking love this. Like when I said I was having a bad fuck face, oh my god, I call people this all the freaking time. I love it. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Berta. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, this just like made my night, Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's move on. So I was perusing on Amazon, and I don't know why, you know what I mean? It was like my birthday, and I was just like justifying spending, you know, like, oh, you can get it for your birthday. And I mean, this wasn't bad. I think it was like $8.99 or $9.99 or something like that. And I didn't know this, but it comes with a, what is that? A 10 placer, a big straightener, and a 7 placer with 2 things of wax. You have a 4 placer at the top here, as well as your single placer. But what made me fall in love with this was the shells inside. Like, it is freaking beautimous. I freaking love it. And it's got like the seaweed in it. Do you see that? Like I said, it was under $10. I know that. I know for a fact it was under $10. And I was like, that's a good deal. And it's got like a nice Nice weight to it. That is awesome. But what I'm really excited for is this Munimade. So, I don't know. I guess I got lucky last week. I usually, like, there for a little bit, I was, like, really good with, I could get, you know, a couple of her trays. I think I gave one away when I hit, was it 200 subscribers? Or 250? Something like that. And I was, you know, I mean, I was on my A game. And then I moved and I just kind of, you know, life happened and trying not to spend money. And I was doing good. And then my birthday came up and I justified everything. Like, oh, you can get it for your birthday. You can get it for your birthday. Well, let's just say I got a lot of stuff for my birthday. All right. Like, I'm like, girl, you need to chill. Your birthday is over. So, Munimade also has a YouTube. You can, you know, take a picture of that. Go check her out on the Munimade podcast. Crafty tutorials, unboxings, and more. Municorny, she is awesome. She is very, very sweet. I believe this is my receipt. Y'all don't need to be knowing where I live. Yep, that is my receipt. Okay. She always has, like, the best, like, little, like, cards. Thank you. Naomi, thank you so much for ordering from my small business. It is my wish that your order can bring you even just the slightest of joy and happiness today. Enjoy your new goodies, M. She's, like, so sweet. I love how, like, she personalizes it. That is freaking awesome. So, okay. So, what did I get? Oh, what did I get? Oh, she threw in goodies. She's freaking, like, awesome like that. Okay, so we have her business card. And look, there she is. Isn't she just a little cutie patootie? I freaking love her. It says, ready to ship items and custom orders. It's got, you know, her website. What is that? Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Munimade, trays and other handmade goodies. Then she also has, please enjoy this freebie, specialty diamond painting drills from Shimmering Canvas. Ooh, look. It's got like the AB 209. Ooh, an amethyst AB. Look at that. Ooh, that focus ding dong. That is really freaking pretty. I love that. Okay, so. Look at the little stickers. Look, she put a bunny on there. And a ladybug. And a little chickie. Alright, so this one I know. I think this one is, you want to stay tuned. There might be a giveaway coming up here. I won't tell you when. But I can tell you I got some big things planned. Alrighty, so let me see. I will know as soon as I see the color of it. Yep, so this one I ordered for myself. I love Munimade trays. I got them like in the matching, what is it? The, what is this one? Passionate Pink. And I got it with the matching lid and stopper. It's got Munimade on it. And like you can see, is this one glitter? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's just the way the light is hitting it. But it is gorgeous. If you guys watch my whipping chats, you know how much I love my Munimade trays. They are thebomb.com. So I got one in Passionate Pink. I also got, hold on. I also got this one. Oh my gosh, when I saw this one, I fell in love. It was just like, it was the color of it. It reminded me of like Slimer. And what is this one called? This one is called Ectoplasm. Ectoplasm? Yeah, Ectoplasm. Like I said, when she showed it, look at this freaking green. Does it not remind you of, like, Slimer from freaking Ghostbusters? Like, I freaking love it. I got the matching lid with the stopper. You have your Munimade on the side. When I say, like, these drills, I'm trying to think if I have any drills. Here we go. This will probably drive some people crazy. Woo! These are all like the, I don't know. They didn't have DMC numbers, you know. You can tell they were staticky because I got my, what are these? What are the dryer sheets? That's what they're called, Naomi. So we're just going to sprinkle a few of these in here. Some of them are like trash drills, you know, in here. So, but what I love about Munimade trays are, whoop, look at that, like they just line up so nicely. Now I think with these ones, I think these are the newer ones, and I think she said they pour out better than the last ones. Oh, they do. They don't get stuck, where before, oh, you can tell. Yeah, because before they were getting like stuck over here, and but yeah, you just give her a little shaky poo, and your drills line up beautifully in Munimade trees. Like Munimade trees are like my favorite, hands down. Like I love them. It's my go-to tray. Like yeah. I have a lot of trees, and when I say these are my go-to trees, these are my go-to trees. So, for each tray with the matching lid and stopper, I got it as a set. I paid $16, which is not bad, you know, considering that it's the tray, the stopper, and the lid for $16. That's pretty fantastic to me. So, you might have seen my ugly mug there. It's all good in the hood. This one is a surprise. Keep your eyes out, guys. So, we have our Munimade order. That's the Munimade. We have that Amazon find. Like I said, this pen was on Amazon. It was under $10. Like, you could not beat it. I love the shells of it. That beach look. That goes with Munimade. And, of course, my Berta. My Thomas the Train. Choo-choo! You made my day with this. Like, this was awesome. And it was funny because as I was putting the washi tape over the addresses, at first I was like, who is this from? Did I order this? Like, did I order something and forget? And, like, I know I'm waiting on 2 diamond paintings to come in. So I was like, yeah, that definitely wouldn't fit a diamond painting. I'm like, unless they folded it up and, yeah. So, thank you, Berta, for my gift. The beautiful Alaska card. Look, we got, ooh, jade and gemstone and the bowherd whale. Ooh, gold. Gold. They got gold there. Ooh, they got grizzly bears. Nah, I'm good. Never mind. Forget-me-nots. If you haven't seen that movie, Forget-me-not, that's a good one. The King Silka Spruce. This is freaking awesome. I love this. So, all right, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. I will make sure to see if I can find this. You know, it might not be this exact pen, but, you know, find these pens, and I will make sure to link Munimade. I am not sure where Berta got this amazing freaking motivational coloring book. But, yeah, so with that said, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys.